Hey there! Struggling with internet connectivity might disrupt your day, but knowing how to fix wrong Wi-Fi on TP-Link can save you time and frustration. Whether you're facing issues due to a wrong password, incorrect network settings, or a simple oversight, this guide will walk you through the steps to rectify these issues and get your TP-Link router up and running smoothly. Step 1. Check your network connection. The first thing you should do is ensure all physical connections are set up correctly. Start by checking that your TP-Link router is properly connected to your modem. Start by checking that your TP-Link router is properly connected to your modem using an Ethernet cable. Make sure the power cable is securely plugged in and that the router's LED lights indicate it's receiving power. A good rule of thumb is that the power, internet, and Wi-Fi lights should all be steady or blinking, depending on your model. Step 2. Log into the TP-Link router settings. Once your connections are secure, it's time to log into your TP-Link router settings to verify the Wi-Fi setting. Open a web browser and type in the default IP address of your router, which is typically 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1. Enter your login credentials. If you haven't changed these from the default settings, the username is usually admin and the password is admin password. Step 3. Verify and correct Wi-Fi setting. In the router's admin panel, navigate to the wireless section. Here, double-check the Wi-Fi network name, the SSID, to ensure it's correct. If your network name has changed, update it accordingly. Also, confirm that the Wi-Fi password is accurate. If you suspect any issues, you can reset the password and save the new setting. In some cases, changing the Wi-Fi channel to reduce interference from nearby networks can improve connectivity. Step 4. Restart the router and connect devices. After making the necessary changes in the router settings, restart your TP-Link router. Simply unplug the power cable, wait for about 10 seconds, and plug it back in. Wait for the router to reboot fully. Once restarted, try connecting your devices to the Wi-Fi network again. Make sure to select the correct SSID and enter the new or correct password you set earlier. Step 5. Perform a factory reset if needed. If all else fails and you are still facing connectivity issues, you may need to perform a factory reset on your TP-Link router. Locate the reset button, usually found on the back of the device. Press and hold this button for about 10 seconds until the router restarts. This will restore the router to its original factory setting. Remember that you will need to reconfigure the router from scratch, including setting up the Wi-Fi network name and password. Knowing how to fix wrong Wi-Fi on TP-Link is essential for maintaining a stable internet connection at home or in the office. From checking physical connections and logging into the router's settings to verifying Wi-Fi details and restarting the device, these steps can help you troubleshoot and remedy the issue. If problems persist, factory reset can be a last resort to restore the router to its defaults. By following these steps, you can enjoy seamless internet access without the hassle of connectivity disruptions.